Good evening, everyone. Uh, this is Sejal Parikh from Shriji Innovate Solutions. Uh, Hope everyone is safe and healthy during this pandemic and maintaining proper safety precautions. Uh, First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Nilesh Barot for giving me an opportunity to present this webinar in front of you. And thank you all viewers who are giving their valuable time to watch me live. Uh, I will tell about something FMGPI group. It's India's number one in facility management group, which has been started by Mr. Nilesh Barot in year 2015. He has started this group mainly to support the facility management industry people to provide and to support each other and provide common network so they can have so they can share their requirements solutions on the basic platform. And I think as of now, almost more than 80,000 people are connected with this group. So it's a very good initiative by Mr. Nilesh Barot, and he is doing a very good job and great work done by them. Now, I will introduce myself as I am Sejal Parikh, founder of Sriji Innovate Solutions. I have been in the field of solid waste management since 15 years. Initially, I was working with consultancies, corporates, and other companies. But I have started my company about 3 years back by keeping in mind that I just want to I want to give my I want to give my mother something I want to give to my mother because I think Earth is the only living planet where living organisms exist. No other planet is having a existence of living organisms. So, to keep my country clean and green and to make it a better place to live, I have started this company in the year 2017. And the other main objective of this company is to provide a systematic infrastructure to manage the solid waste properly and to employ the underprivileged, mainly rack pickers and other who are very poor, coming from the slum areas and all. Uh, Now, the main topic of today's webinar is how solid waste management and facility management can work together. Now, the main topic I will cover in this webinar is one is the brief description about facility management, then the second is about importance of solid waste management, then role of main the solid waste management into facility management, main basic common areas, application areas, benefits, case studies, and last but not the least is a Q&A sessions. Uh, what is facility? Mainly everybody knows what is facility management. It's a very important aspect of any organizations or any business to make it sustainable because it provides all services under one roof, right from the catering service, maintenance, housekeeping, security, property management, and all lot more. uh, I would like to give one example. Like if we have a in any wedding function in our family, and we want to enjoy it without any tension and hassle free. So what we do, we hire a wedding planner who will take care of all our worries, right from decoration, costumes, event organizations, and everything. So just like that, facility management companies take care of all the things in the any organization and business and make people comfortable and ensure the safety and comfort level of the built environment by integrating the people, place, process, and technology together. So it's very important having a facility management services in all buildings, organizations, corporates. Now I'll come to the solid waste management part. Solid waste management, the same way, solid waste management is also a very important aspect in urban area management. Now, what is solid waste management? It's nothing but a systematic collection, treatment, and disposal of solid waste which has been discarded or no longer used in our family or like in our organization. So, why it is important? Because you must have heard in newspapers or you must have read in newspapers like देवनार में आज आग लग गई दे मुलुंड डंपिंग ग्राउंड में आग लग रही है. What is the reason behind that? Because in spite of all the dumping grounds in Mumbai are already filled up and there is no space to add more garbage into that, but still BMC is adding everyday garbage over there, and because of that all obnoxious gases like carbon dioxide, methane gases, hydrocarbons, all are releases in the atmosphere, and due to that the amount of quantity is so much that the most of the gas couldn't get escape from the this garbage and couldn't release into the atmosphere. Because of that, that fire comes into the this dumping ground and all that. So if like because of that we have like amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are increasing in the atmosphere. So you have you thought about climate change, global warming? As everywhere there is in the all over the world, global warming is a common issue. People like politicians and everyone is conducting a summit over this all these topics. But why this is happening? So that the more main important reason happening this climate change is because of the increasing amount of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases. Now how this happen? Because first reason is trees are cutting over the in the Mumbai because of the urbanization and improper management of solid waste. Because of that carbon dioxide is increasing and amount of oxygen is decreasing. So what happens? Because of that the temperature of earth is increasing day by day, and due to that we nowadays normally about from last 4 to 5 years we are seeing that rainy season is extending till October and November, and we experience winter season only for 2 months, hardly for 2 months, and then summer season starts. So basically, if we see only two seasons are there in our country, and why this is happening? Because of all these climate change, weather pattern is changing because of all this improper solid waste management and increasing amount of greenhouse gases. So how we can control it? So there is a very simple method how we can control it, and there is no rocket science in this. But before we go that, I you will be shocked if I share some statistics on for our for India. More than 3,000 metric tons, million tons per day solid waste is generated only in India, out of which 77% is only 77% is going to the dumping ground or open land, 18% is composted, and only 5% is released is recycled. So if we if we manage solid waste properly, systematically and scientifically, then we can reduce the amount of waste going to the dumping ground. So for that what we can do, there is no rocket science. only we need to segregate the waste properly at source, whether it is a building, corporates, organizations, anywhere. There are three bean segregation system. First, you will have that dry waste, wet waste, and reject waste. Now, what is a wet waste? Wet waste is a nothing but a food waste or garden waste, leftover food, coconut peel outs, eggshells, or left peeled off of vegetables and everything, which we can easily decompose and convert into the waste at our at source only. So about 90% of the waste reduction happens only when if we convert the wet waste into the compost. Now dry waste, what comes in the dry waste? Dry waste is like nothing but papers, cardboards, aluminum cans, plastics, and like glass bottles and everything. Now there are a lot of recyclers in the country who recycle all these leftover recyclable dry waste into the products which is biodegradable and eco-friendly. So again that product we can recycle. So if we if we recycle the dry waste, then about 40 to 50% dry waste like waste will go over there. So now only 10 to 15% waste, that is a rejected waste, which is like diapers, then sanitary napkins, or nails, debris, whatever. If only that amount of waste goes to the dumping ground, then it is like we we can manage, or we can make our country more green and clean, and we can go to the towards the sustainability and sustainability of our country, and zero waste garbage, that also we can we can achieve by adopting this system. So and also I just want to share one thing that keep I meet lot of people in societies, committee members, chairmen everywhere. There is a misconception in their mind that is like this management of waste is a responsibility of only BMC, because we are paying a tax. So why not BMC is doing all these things? Why we should do all these things? But just give me one answer. Do you, who generates the food waste, as we or BMC? We all generates weight waste, food waste. Everybody is generating, everybody is themselves generating dry waste and rejected waste. So do you, don't you think is it our responsibility to manage it properly, and to convert it into the compost or other adopting other methods? So like I just want to tell everyone ki if we take initiative to manage our waste at our source, then we can achieve a very healthy environment in the surrounding. So now I'm going towards the main topic of our webinar is how facility management and solid waste management can work together. So like I would say that solid waste management is just nothing but an extended version, extended service of a facility management. Facility management provides all services, they are having a cleaning staff and everything, but they just want to collaborate with the solid waste management service providers, or they just want to, if we together we can conduct a awareness training, sensitization programs in the societies, organizations, and other corporates to explain them the importance of solid waste, because it's a very important right now. As because just forget the past, just if you think about the present, it is very important right now to manage our surrounding healthy. Otherwise what happened in near future, or about like 5 6 years, or back 10 years, after 10 years, our next to next generations or our next generations might be having a problem of oxygen, and they might need oxygen cylinders to breathe themselves. So To avoid all these situations and to make our country green and clean, it is our responsibility to manage waste properly. And with facility management, we can do a lot of things together. Like we can give a training, communicate training and sensitization programs. Also, we give a proper communication to a cleaning staff, and to explain them the sustainability and proper method of segregation of waste, and other lot of things like proper management, then a lot of things we can do together. So I would say, if like it's like we are if we work together, then it's a one step towards one more steps towards the sustainability, and make a better place to live, and then it's a more green and clean India now. And also, mostly wherever facility management is required, solid waste management is also required there. So mainly common areas are like residential building, townships, then corporates, industries, and all are the common areas where facility management and SWN can work together. And I like lot of people, lot of facility management companies have started or taking initiative in incorporating solid waste management service into that facility management service. Like one is the big company is a capital outsourcing management service limited. It's a Delhi based company, started in 2013. And initially they have started this company mainly with only cleaning and maintenance services. But over the time of period, they have extended that service, expanded the services into other segment along with the solid waste management services. And now they are providing the services to all the all government sectors, municipal corporations, and other segments. And other companies like KHFM, it's a India's right now, it's at present, it's India's largest facility management company. It's it started about 35 years back, and initially they have started with only 4 people and people staff, and only cleaning service they were providing when they started this company. But now they are also in the solid waste management service, and then they provide the services. Or I would say a startup companies, they can tie up with the solid waste management consultancies, like what I provide the services. So that they can combine together and also work together. So just in the end, I would like to say the thing: if facility management and solid waste management company works together, then nobody can stop making India clean and green up and better place to live. So just this is what I'm concluding my sessions with this. So mainly, I think I have covered all the topics, right from the solid waste management, what is the importance of solid waste management, then how facility management is required in our our organizations and businesses, then what are the benefits, application areas, and everything. So I think I would just like to once again thanks everyone for watching me live and spending your valuable time for watching me. And if you have any requirement, require any help or any requirement in your organizations for solid waste management, so please contact me. My mobile is 9619591746. And my if you want to send me email, then my email ID is sejalsaurabh74 at gmail.com. Now, if you have any queries, or if you have want to ask any questions, then you can ask me in the chat box. So I would be happy to give answer of your all queries.